Good morning. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everyone had a safe and happy New Year. This is Ashland KY Chiropractor Dr. Gary Dillon with another video health tip. Well, it's that time of year. Everyone's rushing back to the gyms, and the gyms will be chock full for the next 4 weeks, and then they'll empty out again from a bunch of people who had New Year's resolutions about getting healthy and losing weight and either lost weight quickly and are going to gain it all back, or they just quit. Well, I'm going to dive into this arena too. Let's talk about health and weight loss. The first study I want to bring you in health tip is about adolescents. You know, we've got a lot of obese, unhealthy children and adolescents today. Number one, quit feeding them the fast food. McDonald's should be a special treat done every now and then, not a daily or weekly basis. And not that I'm griping at everyone. I've been guilty of doing this myself. So it's something that we've stopped in my household, and I encourage you to do the same. Eat at home. It's going to save you a ton of money, and it's going to save your children's health and their waistline as well. Now, one question I'm always asked is, I want to help my kid lose some weight, or I want to help my teenager lose some weight. What do I do? Okay, well, there's a lot of different theories out there, and one of the problems is you get people telling you that a high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet for teenagers is unhealthy. Well, I've dug up some articles, and I've attached one specifically to this video. Feel free to read through it. It's right off the doctor's resource at my website at www.dillonchiropractic.com. And basically, it says that a high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet is safe for adolescents. And not only that, but when compared to a low-fat diet, it actually did a much better job in weight loss. The average weight loss on a low-fat diet for teenagers, on a 13-week low-fat diet for teenagers, was 14 pounds versus 29 pounds for high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet, and it was completely safe. The sad factor is that on a 36-week follow-up, neither category, low-fat nor high-protein, low-carb, had kept their weight loss off, which brings me to the most significant point of this. Anything that you do to lose weight, any diet you follow, if you lose weight with it, you're going to have to keep it up for the rest of your life. If you lose weight with something and quit, you're just going to do what everybody else does and gain the weight back, probably plus some. And yo-yo dieting, losing the weight, gaining it back, losing the weight, gaining it back, is actually much more unhealthy for your body than just being a little bit overweight. People ask me all the time, does this fad diet work, or does this specialty diet work? Well, the fact is, all of them work. They're not necessarily good for you, but they all work. Someone has lost weight doing the most ridiculous or absurd diet that you've ever heard of. But did they keep it off? Was it healthy for them? And how fast did they regain the weight? Bottom line is, even if you follow a healthy diet, when you quit and go back to eating the way you were, guess what? The weight's going to come back. So you have to follow a program that you can reasonably do the rest of your life. And with that little tout, I would like to introduce our MetaFast Take Shape for Life program. I've personally lost 17 pounds on it. We've got a couple patients that we just started them on it. They've lost 30, 60 pounds. We've got one patient that's lost well over 100 pounds. It's good. It's easy to follow. It's nutritious. It's good for you. And it's pretty cost effective too. So if it's something you guys are interested in, go over to my Take Shape for Life website at garydillon.tsfl.com. That'll take you directly to my weight loss website. And always, if you have any questions at all about the Take Shape for Life challenge or MetaFast or this article in general or any other health interest, feel free to call us. My staff and I would be more than happy to talk to you. That's 606-929-9667. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button for us. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel so we can bring you a new health tip every week. We never ever spam you, and there's always an unsubscribe link right at the bottom of the page. Or you can go over to my website and look at the article directly on my doctor's resource on my website. That's at www.dillonchiropractic.com. And when you're prompted, please put your name and email in for us. Not only will you get a free ebook, 52 Health Tips, you'll also get these video health tips once a week. I look forward to next week when once again I'll bring you another video health tip helping you and your family be as healthy as you can be.